are so stressful, we are very busy, right? And we just want to work, and then every day look like we are chasing something. We want to do this, we want to do that, and then we don't have a time to rest. And then there are so much tensions from our shoulders, so much stress from our arms and our body, right? Also at the same time in our hearts, our mind too, so much thing going on out there. Know how to stop and rest is very important for us, for you. The animals, they know how to rest better than us. If we know how to rest, we know how to relax our body, and at the same time give the space for you to rest and relax your mind. And when you know how to rest and relax, and the healing will be happen very quickly. Sometimes we very busy to want to do this and that, and then even we are wounded, we are painful, we are hurt, and we are suffered, we are stressed, but we don't want to rest. So first healing element is resting. When you rest and you know how to relax, and you give the chance for the body to heal, and the chance for the mind to heal, and to restore energy, right? So today, wherever Qigong routine to do resting, it's very simple to lie down, to stop to do anything, just allow yourself totally to relax and rest, okay? When you know how to rest, we know how to relax, and then you can bring your mind back to the body to take care of yourself, and that's why you will be healed very quickly, okay? You allow yourself to heal, to allow yourself to relax. Stop thinking, okay? Mental discourse, and just come back to your breathing and allow yourself to recognize your body is here, recognize you are alive, and then you allow all the cells of the body to rest and to relax, okay? And after you rest and relax, and you sleep better, right? And after you sleep better, you sleep very well, and then the next day you have more energy to work and to do things that you like to do, okay? You have more clear mind. Come closer to the wall, right? And you may lie down like this. You put the butt to the wall, and then you can put your legs upward, okay, like that. So we call the movement, we call the hanging two legs on the wall. And you put your two hands, like open this way, like this. And then you can relax your legs, relax your head, your arms, and your shoulders. You may close your eyes. You may do this movement, give for 10 minutes before sleeping. It's wonderful to have yourself to rest your two legs, your feet, at the same time to circulate the blood, and you can rest better. Breathe in, out, relax your legs. Release all tensions from your feet, your knees, your thighs. Release all tensions from your arms, your shoulders. You don't need to do anything. You just breathe in, out, and allow yourself to relax. You may follow your breathing. You feel the lower abdomen rising when you breathe in, lower abdomen falling when you breathe out, and let go. Let go all worries and tensions, anxieties from your body, from your mind. As you know how to rest like this every day, You give your body the opportunity to release tensions, to restore energy, at the same time to heal itself. I feel so wonderful with the trees here, the palm tree, the cactus or something. And this tree, look like I take refuge on this tree. I feel so wonderful. When you put your legs on the wall in the room, in your house, you can feel like you take refuge in the house. You feel one with the house and you feel good with the earth, right? You feel the Mother Earth embrace you. Mother Earth breathe in with you, and you feel safe. You feel relaxed and embraced. Every out breath, you let it go. Let go all tensions and worries. Let go all stress and fear from your mind. Breathe in, out, let go. So after about 10 minutes, when you're ready, you just move your legs to the left and to the right. Move your toes like this. Look at your toes and feel so wonderful. Then smile to your toes, smile to your legs. And you can move your legs to the left and then move your head to the right. Breathe in, out. And then move your legs to the right and move your head to the left. Breathe in, out, and then move your whole body to the right. And so you continue to lie down on the mat. And you just relax our whole body. Okay? Look like you are lying down on your bed and continue your sleeping. Continue to rest. Allow yourself to rest. You totally relax your body. Close your eyes. And allow yourself, the whole body relax. Relax from your toes, up to your legs, your shoulders, your neck and your head. Bring all awareness, mindfulness and compassion to draw shine lines on your body. Is there any pain and tensions from your part of the body? Any aches and hurts? You just aware about that area and bring mindfulness and compassion and love to send that energy to that area. Within, out, smile your body, smile to your body. Follow your breathing and allow yourself to flow on the earth. Let the earth embrace in you. Put your hands together on your knees and go down. And from right here, you click beside, under your knees, okay? Beside that area. This one can help your legs stronger. And relax your legs. Use your hand to touch your toes. Breathe in, look up. Breathe out, look down. Inhale. Exhale. In one more time. Out. That's wonderful. Open your two palms together. Breathe in deep. Out. Slow. That's so wonderful. So dear friends, so this is a Qigong routine for resting. So hopefully you enjoy it, and you can apply this routine before going to bed, or nap time, or during the day that you feel you need to rest.